My name is Advay Agarwal and today I am going to do another video of the I'm going to tell you about the skeletal system. So the human body is like a machine as it can perform various tasks at once such as hearing, how is our food digested, etc. etc. So organ systems are a vital role in the functioning of a human body. Our body is made up of different parts such as heart, stomach, lungs, kidneys, and etc. etc. Because there are a lot of organs, and it will take me I won't tell you how much. And all of them have unique functions. Cells are the basic units of a body. Multiple cells combine to form tissues. These tissues of the same kind combine to form organs. A complete system of organs is called an organ system. Some organ systems are the digestive system, the skeletal system, the circulatory system, the respiratory system, the urinary system, the nervous system, etc. etc. Today, we are going to talk about the skeletal system. What is the skeleton? This is what a human body looks like from underneath. So, the skeleton is a framework of bones. This framework of bones protects the organs in our body. They also provide shape, strength, and support to our body. An adult human has 206 bones in his body. Okay, components of the skeletal system include the skull, the backbone, as you can see this rod plus this here, this bony under the rib cage, and the limbs, which are the hands and the legs respectively. Alright, the limbs are attached to the shoulder and hip girdle respectively. Okay, now let me tell you about what is the skull. This is what a human skull looks like. I mean, it might be a bit spooky at first, but you'll get used to it. When I was little, I used to get really spooked by skulls, and I am not, because they play an important role in our. Okay, the skull is made up of 22 bones. 8 of the bones are interlocked together and enclose the fragile brain within it. The facial region has 14 bones in it, and among them only the lower jaw is movable. The lower jaw is also known as the mandible. The lower jaw enables us to talk, eat food, and talking, etc. Okay, now let's move on to the spine. So, this is what the spine looks like. So, the spine is also known as the vertebral column or the backbone. So, it is made up of 33 small bones. I can't count them. It will take almost forever. I'll just tell you, 32 small bones, 33 small bones called vertebrae, like singular vertebra, and what do you say? Oh yeah. Now, it forms a strong column which encloses the delicate spinal cord. Oops, never mind. Within it. Alright. The skull rests on the backbone, which forms main axis of the skeleton. Okay. Now let's move on to the rib cage. So this is the rib cage. The rib cage is made up of 12 pairs of bones, like 24, which are joined to a long center bone called the breastbone, which is also known as the sternum, and is joined at in the backbone. The last two pairs of the rib cage, these two are called floating pairs because they are not connected to the breastbone. They are only connected to the backbone. Alright. With that, let's move on to the forelimb. Actually, the limbs. The limbs are divided into two categories: forelimbs and hind limbs. Forelimbs are our arms, hind limbs are our legs. Alright. Yes. So, talking about the forelimbs, the humerus, which is like this one, the humerus is, it's not mentioned here, but it is. The humerus is like connected to the collarbone via the shoulder girdle, and the hind limb. Let me just move on. The hind limb is connected. The femur is the longest bone in our body. The femur can support the weight of our upper body. So the femur is connected to the hip girdle via a ball and socket joint. Now let's move on to the three types of muscles. So muscles are divided into three types: voluntary, involuntary, and cardiac. So let's start with voluntary muscle. This is what a voluntary muscle looks like. So voluntary muscles are under our control. That means we can control it according to our wish, and are attached to the skeleton. This allows our bones to move. They are cylindrical in shape and enable us to walk, jump, etc. and perform various activities. Now let's move on to the involuntary muscles. These are found in organs. The one example is the stomach. Alright. Involuntary muscles are not under our control and and are found in various organs. One of the examples is the stomach. As you can see here, these are involuntary muscles and they work on their own. We can't control them. Yes. They are spindle-like shaped, and if our muscles in the organs were under our control, then we could not be able to, if we forgot to enable our body to breathe, we would die. Yes. So these muscles carry out various tasks of organs in our body. Let's move on to the final type of muscles, the cardiac muscles. These muscles are present in the heart. They are native to the heart. They have a similar appearance compared to voluntary muscles, but their function is like involuntary muscles. They pump blood and they are not under our control, because if you forgot. Yes. Okay, so this is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and share this video to see more of my videos. And now, please okay, I'll just do the redo. Please like this video to see more of my videos, and please share this video with your friends and family. Now, also, please subscribe to my channel, Young Scientist. Until the next video, bye.